Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm so excited because I'm doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. I feel like I haven't done one of these in such a long time. I get so caught up with like product reviews, videos like that, to where sometimes I neglect like showing you guys how I do my makeup. So I thought today it would be fun to do a little fall makeup look for you, show you what products I use, how I use them, how I get a nice, easy, foolproof, can wear anywhere kind of fall look. So that's what today's gonna be all about. Before we get into it, please, please, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up for me and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I give you guys 3 videos a week and it just means the world to me if you subscribe. So please and thank you. But if you wanna see me get an easy, simple but dramatic and beautiful fall makeup look, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, I'm so excited. I feel like I haven't just like played with makeup with you and shown you how I do my makeup in so long. Like I said in the beginning, I feel like I've done so many like new product reviews, BoxyCharm videos, like that kind of stuff, and I just haven't like done my makeup with you guys in a while. So I'm super excited about this. Today I'm doing it's gonna be an easy look. Like I wanna do a makeup look that everyone can get very, very quickly and very, very easily. I'm not gonna do anything too complicated, but it's gonna look really, really nice. And it's like the kind of look that you can pair with any kind of outfit, any kind of occasion. It'll be perfect. So this is gonna be fun, but we're just gonna get started. I'll kind of speed through the process of me applying the products just so you guys don't get bored, but you'll still see how I do everything, and then I'll tell you guys what products I'm using throughout the video too. Again, it's gonna be so simple, so easy for everyone to achieve, so we're all gonna have fun with this. We're gonna get started though. So first, products that I'm gonna be using are primers. So I'm gonna start with this one. It is the SMASHBOX Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer. I use this literally non-stop all the time. It's such a good primer. Literally feels like a moisturizer. Really hydrating. Makeup goes on top of it so nicely. I feel like it really helps my makeup stay all day. Love that one. So just a quick little slap on my face. And then the next primer I'm using is the TATCHA, the Pore Filling Primer. So I just take like a little bit on my fingers and then apply wherever I have pores. And then last up, we have an eye primer, and I'm using the Rare Beauty eye primer. So I'm just putting it on my lids like I would an eyeshadow, and then I'm spreading it out all across my eyes. And then I'm just gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, and I'm just gonna dip with an eye brush just to set that eye primer. So we're gonna start with my eye makeup first. I know I don't normally do that when I'm doing lighter makeup, but typically when I'm going for a little bit more dark on my eyes, I like to do my eyes first and then work on the rest of my face around that. So I am just taking my favorite palette right now. Sorry, it's a little bit dirty with the handprints. It's the Patrick Ta 4 Eyes Major Dimension Eyeshadow Palette. This is the best of the best for me right now. But I'm basically I'm gonna start light and then work my way to some darker colors, and I wanna keep it matte for now. So I am going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm just blending that all up in my crease. So then next up, I'm taking the next darkest color from that right here in the middle. Sorry, my nails are terrible. But I'm just taking that with the same brush and I'm just blending over that, but I'm not gonna bring it up as high as I did that lighter color. And then next, I think I'm taking a smaller brush. This is from MAC, but the number came off. I think it's a 217. And I'm going into this like reddish brown right here. And I'm gonna blend that into my crease, but very, very close to my lid, and then onto my lid as well, just not nearly as high up as I did those other two colors. And then I'm just taking a fluffier brush like this and just kind of blending everything together just to soften up those lines a little bit. And then we'll come back to the lower lash line later on once we did my face makeup too. But now I want to take an angled brush like this, and I'm gonna go into this deep brown right here. I know it's not gonna make too big of a difference because we already have a darker shadow on the eyes, but I'm dipping into that and I'm just going to do some eyeliner with that, just all across. Just do a little wing, just to add a little pop of something to the look. And then I'm just going back and I'm going into this really light color right here. And I'm just gonna do that right under my brow bone. Sorry guys, I just ran off camera really quick so I could do my brows. I figured you guys have already seen me do my eyebrows on my channel. I have a video on how I do my eyebrows, so I didn't want to bore you guys with that all over again, but basically I used my Benefit Foolproof brow powder, and I used my Benefit 24-hour brow setter brow gel. So moving on to the face now, my favorite part, I am taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. For some reason, every time I think of this foundation, I think of the fall, and I thought, well, perfect time for it. I'm gonna use this. So that is what today's foundation is. Just taking it on my beauty blender, and then I'm just gonna dab it all over my face. Just realized I used the wrong shade. I have two of these. I used the lighter one by accident, but I have a fresh tan on, so no go on that. I'm using Warm Beige. All right, foundation is done. I'm looking a little crazy. And for concealer, I'm using the Rare Beauty, this is the 260N concealer. I always forget what the official name of this concealer is, but I'll link everything in the description box for you guys so you can check out all the products. But it just says concealer, and this is a shade at 260N. And I'm just gonna use the beauty blender to apply this too. And now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer in Amber, and I am just quickly bronzing up my cheeks with this, with the Beauty Blender. Super quick step, and then we're moving on to powder now. So I'm taking that Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder again. This is shade 2 medium. And I'm just applying this all over my face. You could bake your makeup too. Today, I'm not going to. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I guess it just depends on the occasion and the night. But on days that I don't bake my face, I use this powder. I just take a big fluffy brush like this, swirl it around in there, and then just spread everywhere. And for bronzer, of course, I'm using NARS Laguna. So I'm just taking a little bronzer brush like this one, dipping it in, and then just applying on my cheeks, my chin, my nose, my forehead, everywhere that I want chiseled out. And then for blush slash highlighter, I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in Dim Infusion. This one also just makes me think about the fall a little bit, and I love how natural yet still noticeable it is. So this is today's blush. I'm using this big blush brush. And I'm just gonna set my face really quick with this e.l.f. and Jen Atkin Mist Me spray. Going back to the eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna mix this shade right here and then this reddish brown shade, and I'm just gonna do my lower lash line with that. Now I'm gonna do my mascara and my lashes off camera really quick, just because that part's a little bit more boring, and I will be right back. I'm back. I did my lashes. So for mascara, I used my favorite Benefit Roller Lash, and then for lashes, I used the Glamnetic Vixen lashes. I love Glamnetic lashes so much, you guys. Last step that we have to do now is lips, and I am going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Hot Gossip. So I'm just gonna line my lips with this really quick. Beautiful, and now I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Glowing Gen lipstick, and I'm just applying that all over my lips too. And that is that. I think that is everything for this makeup look. I hope I didn't forget anything. But as you can see, it's a very like dramatic yet still soft fall makeup look. It's very, very fall. It's all of like the nice warm tone browns, nothing too colorful, nothing too crazy. Like this is still wearable anywhere, and you can still dress it up as dramatic too. So this is just like the kind of makeup look that's good for literally anything this time of year. And I love that the lip isn't completely matte either, so it gives some texture to the look too, if you know what I mean. So love this look so much. I hope you guys do too. Let me know what you think about it. I am not gonna take my makeup off for the rest of the night because I am feeling myself right now, but yeah, that is it. I have so much fun doing these kinds of videos. I love showing you guys how I do my makeup, how I like to wear it when I go out places, and honestly just easy ways to do makeup because anybody could do this. It's very, very quick and it's very easy. It doesn't take me long at all, and like I said, it's good for everything. So I just wanted to do something that is fun for me and easy for me and fun for you and easy for you. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, please let me know because I actually love these. But I don't know if you guys love seeing these kinds of videos on my channel, so just let me know your thoughts. Let me know if there's a makeup look that you guys want to see me do, and also let me know if you like how I like speed through the actual application of the makeup so that it's not so boring, or if you guys would rather have me like talk about something as I apply, because I never know what like the best way to do it is. So just give me your thoughts, comment, and let me know what you guys think. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Like I said, comment, give this a thumbs up for me, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.